I got two major problems when I'm welding. One, lack of experience. I simply don't get enough helmet time. And two, when I am getting helmet time, I can't see what I'm doing. So let's figure this out. Okay, so here's the plan. Okay, we're done. I wish it was that easy. I got this idea from another YouTuber. So this is just a less than $10 headband lamp. I took the headband off of it from Amazon. It doesn't work right, but it's good enough for me. It's got a high beam, it's got a low and a high, and it's supposed to do, these guys are supposed to work, they don't work. But all I need is that high spot beam. So the plan is, put it right there. And there you go. There's your low beam, there's your high beam, and that's really all I need. So hopefully that helps solve one of my welding quality issues. Is it perfect? Nope. Did we make progress? Yes, because now I'm pretty sure I'll be able to see a little bit better. I'd do a demo for you, but I don't have the right equipment for it, so there's a joke in there somewhere. Anyway, there you go.